Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I'll show you how you can connect with other device through Bluetooth. So at the first we have to go for the menu, then scroll to the settings, click connectivity, scroll to the Bluetooth, and right now we have to change visibility at the first. So from the hidden, let's go for always visible, and then go for the Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth. Next, let's check active, or I mean paired. So we click here to pair with new device, and right now you have to also enable Bluetooth on the second device. So I just make it on my private smartphone, Asus Zenfone 7, and we can also click more. And right now we are able to see different devices. So there's my Zenfone 7 Pro and I want to connect with this one. So click the middle button to connect. And right now we have to accept this request on the Nokia and also on the second device, in my case on my Asus Zenfone. And as you can see right now we are connected and this device is added to the pair list. When you click on the options, you can go for the settings. You can also get auto connect to this Asus. For example, we can switch to yes. So we'll be always connected to the Asus automatically when we are nearby, and you can also delete pairing. So basically that's how you can connect Bluetooth device with your Nokia 260. You can make the same with speakers, with earphones, headphones, whatever you want to connect, you can make it by following steps. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.